I'm going to show you the MFI and the RSI indicator. So let's say here you broke the support and the resistance line past this point, and let's say you bought it around here. Now how do you know how far to ride this to the bottom? So you could take the profit here, right? And how do you know when to stop here? Well, a good indication here is the MFI RSI. Once it hit this like grayish area, as soon as it hit this gray area here, you could have used that point to say, okay, I'm pulling out. And especially once you saw that really long wick here. So once you saw that really long wick, you could have said, okay, I'm pulling out. So that is like a really good indicator. And then let's say you wanted to re-enter this market. Let's say it did end up, you waited and it did end up bouncing up to about here, and you say, oh wow, we've just hit the grey and we've pulled down on the grey area. Now you put your sell order around here. How far do you want to ride it? So you'd keep riding it. You wouldn't stop once it's in this purple area. You would ride it all the way here once you see this really long wick. And then you would keep riding it up until you start seeing the yellow line start hitting the grey area, which is about here. So that's the best way to get the maximum amount of money, is when you've bought in or you've sold something, whether it's oil, crypto, whatever.